Welcome back, guys. They were playing Brothers, and it is so incredibly hot that I have the fan on. So please excuse me if you hear the fan. At least it's not the AC.
Hi guys.
No. Bye, guys.
I haven't eaten anything all day. That sushi's taking so long to get here.
There's no sushi for you sheep.
Frozen water tastes different than ice.
What?
What I put in there? Frozen water tastes different than ice.
Frozen water tastes different than ice. You're nuts. Anyway, I haven't played this in a while. Press any button, except for that button. Don't press that button.
I heard there were people.
Did you just like eat stuff on the floor? I told you to eat fruit, darling. Fruit.
Yeah, you said you don't.
Fruit to
Food
keep.
doesn't fill me up, make me hungrier.
Sure. For show you right.
I didn't mean chips.
For show you right. Well, if you eat all of that, listen, you still have Chick-fil-A in there from yesterday. Oh, this is the okay. So now I have to remember how we were doing this. I'm supposed.
You pick up your brother.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the last I remember that
I think.
I was told about this and those guys.
Get on my shoulders. Now we have to cover ourselves in the.
Look.
Are we bloody? Doesn't really look like it.
Yeah.
It's us, guys. We're trying to sacrifice the
They
lady.
don't notice you.
Also, no, they're gonna notice me in a minute. This game is getting a little racy, Allison. Look. They're all in reverence of me now. Back up, guys. Get away. Not today. Shut your face. I don't even know how you got here. Ah!
Ah! You have blood footprints, so they notice you.
You saw it.
You have blood footprints.
And now they're clean.
Also, where'd all that blood come from?
The snackerfishes. Snackerfishes. I don't like those. No, wait, guys, let's keep it together. What is that noise? So this morning we were leaving our house to go to music, and we kept hearing this horrible noise overhead. Well, it wasn't horrible. It was just like I couldn't tell you where the noise was coming from if you paid me. Come to find out, they're fighter jets flying over the East River, and it scared the snot of us. Oh no, she wasn't scared at all. I was just like, I hope there's not an airplane like coming down over my house.
You keep changing the footpath lower and lower. Earlier and earlier. Homer.
Oh, this is what? Oh, this stinks. How am I supposed to? We can't do it together, clearly.
I wish I had two-player mode. That would be so much fun. You're hitting the ball.
So, I'm gonna hit something, I don't know.
You should have went the other way. You don't want to drive backwards all the way down the street.
Oh my god, yeah, I had to drive backwards all the way down,
Because the FedEx truck was blocking the way.
and I didn't know how to, like... And I had to keep doing something very similar to this because I did not know how to,
Keep backing up and going forward, back.
backing up straight. No, the street was curved, so basically I had to keep backing up and going forward and straightening out because I didn't want to hit anybody else's car. I care about my car, but not as much as I care about paying for other people's crap. like when we play It Takes Two and I have to like... Okay, I have to push forward, that's what it is.
Cody!
It looks... Cody? Look at all the blood.
Where are they getting all that blood?
Sacrifices. Am I supposed... No, I'm not.
That many? It's not a Minecraft infinite water source.
Why is she just sitting there?
Oh,
The woman at the front of the boat.
Why, do stuff?
Yo, something, anything. I'm glad I hit the boat. Water looks nice though. You know what? It's so hot. That water is actually cooling me off. Oh, what is that? Under the sea.
That's gonna probably eat you in the next save point.
Always with the getting eaten. These are just...
Yep.
Yo, why do you predict this nonsense?
Orca.
That's not an orca.
That's an orca thing.
It's not no orca I've ever seen.
I said an orca thing. That scene was just...
I could have rolled over the ice at any point.
That scene was just so if you didn't see it in the water before, now you saw it, you know it's coming.
Well, if you didn't know, well, baby, now you know.
Now you know.
I'm terrified. It's underneath me.
Uh-huh.
Oh, there's other ones, though.
Oh, no, my God. It's many. This is hard.
Part of freaks. Turn. Pivot. Don't hit that. Turn.
That's creepy.
What's creepy about this?
It's under you.
It's just water. I mean, it's a big ice. It's a big piece of ice.
Feel more.
That's the boat, girl.
Oh,
The boat was creepy. Oh, there's more of those guys.
remember when I got you?
No, it's gonna come up over my boat. I can't move.
Remember when I got you killed by that
Pack of dogs.
No. Another time when I got you killed by that
Yo, what is happening?
by the water. Because I was like, he can swim. He just doesn't want it.
I can't turn. Oh my god, I'm trying to turn around now. Hold on. Why do you keep getting by my boat, you freak? I'm trying to turn. This is like me trying to drive. Get away!
I have come back to you. Little birds have never seen anything like humans, so when they saw us, they walked straight up to us, and that's why they were so easy to oof, and that's why they went extinct.
Who was oofing what?
The humans and the dodo birds. They just walked up to humans because they had never seen anything like us. So they walked up to us trying to be our friend.
I'm done. Oh, that's what she's good for. I've been playing this for 9 minutes already? I went to go... Ooh, it's snowing. I don't think we're properly dressed. Where did she go?
Yeah. When was God covered people?
They've never gone to the bathroom.
What did they be when they did change clothes?
We don't need to talk about these things. It's a video game.
And every game, like, there's no indication of, I'm going to go to the bathroom now.
It's not how this works. You know how long games would take if everybody stopped to go to the bathroom? that several gamers I know don't even get up to go to the bathroom in their own houses. Then they can finish games. Oh, what is that? Oh, turtle. Scared the snot out of me.
Like a weird quack.
Under the sea.
That's a mega turtle. What's that huge one? Oh, give its babies back to it. It's the mother. Give its babies back.
I'm going.
Damn, your babies cannot
there.
walk.
Alright, hold on. We gotta go through here. We heard you, but I can't jump with this thing. How am I supposed to get it up there? Stop squealing. Can't really, so let's see. There's gotta be a way. Only there was a way. Let's go.
You know what's nice and cool this looks?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, I can't even drag it like that. Okay, hold on. Both of them have to be holding it in order to. Okay, but how do I get this monster over to you now? Do I push it in the water? That's kind of rude. Oh, okay. I was like, that didn't feel right. I don't, Mama don't, I wouldn't like it if somebody put my kid in some icy water.
Okay, what?
Well, there you go. We're waiting on our sushi order. Starving. Because our usual sushi joint was closed today. I knew it. Stop your whining. Sorry. Okay, where am I going? And 3 makes 3.
4 makes 5.
I don't think it's 4 or 5. I think it's 3. Oh yeah, turtle soup. You got all... I didn't know that's apparently it's a trophy. I don't think that I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if it's required, but I thought it was gonna fight us. I hear the crunching of those chips. I'm wishing I had brought some dip.
What the? Does it make their own dip?
No. Oh.
Basically,
Alright, hold on.
you do it into mush with your spit, and it makes a dip. And dip is always delicious.
Disgusted by this whole conversation. With a 2-year-old, mind you.
9.
You're 2.
No.
One of you never not been 2.
Yeah, I'm 90, so.
Malia.
What the language are you speaking? Oh. Now we got a new chick with us who doesn't do anything. Oh, frozen people. Okay.
Duh.
Yes, I know, dog. My neck is a little itchy. So, what makes them think we stand a chance of not becoming frozen? Considering so pretty. All right. Considering these, we don't have on very much clothes, and these people all seem like they were prepared for the weather, and they're frozen. What orca?
Yep.
Stop calling it an orca. Yes, I do. All right, but this lady's not telling me where I gotta go. Oh, there's a store right there. Okay.
All those frozen people look like they're giants. Actually, you can't really tell what clothes they're wearing.
I don't know, but I know it.
That doesn't work.
This must be cold though, because once again, those people are frozen.
It would be better than this weather.
I don't think so. Shake that body.
I wonder how they just like froze like in mid-place. Like they didn't.
Probably like a Pompeii deal.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you don't know your history. Anyway, Pompeii, people froze to death, like in their, not froze, but like were frozen by the ash. Am I supposed to just walk on this? Okay.
Oh, I thought that was a name.
What do you mean?
Like a pet.
No, it's a place. The volcanic ash just froze people where they were, basically. You don't go backwards. Where are you going? Why are they always on the wrong sides? Shake that body for me. Oh, is that my sushi? Yup. Alright.
Yeah.
Just a second, guys. Wait for the sushi.
You didn't pick your carrots.
Okay.
Guys, I have an avocado noodle and the avocado just fell out.
Guys, we got our sushi, and I decided to stop and eat. So, yum yum for me. Ooh, do the footprints go anywhere? Hold on. Oh, yeah. Random footprints. La, 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 la. This is more fun than you know. Anyway, let me get to the next save point and then cut it. I need to cut it. Cut. This guy's frozen. Everywhere you go, it's like a very, is that like an axe sticking out of his neck? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh.
So it was oof, then frozen. Oh, it's a battle.
Yeah, I was like, he was oofed and then he froze? No, it's a whole battle. What's up here?
Are they all aiming at the house?
I'm trying to see what they're aiming at. Oh. Those giants?
They all look like they're aiming at they're aiming at that castle. It's a village.
I know, but I'm trying to see what oofed them. Alright. I was like, I feel like we should be able to do something here.
You know.
Sorry, guys. Guys.
Yeah.
So, oh, we're just walking on frozen.
Volume.
Is she dancing? Is she waving? What's happening? Oh.
Oh, get in the fire. By the way, little boy, I'll do this. Do they have names? I believe I called the little boy Jake.
Okay.
Wait, can I have it? Don't do it.
I can't let it go. As soon as I let it go, he's gonna catapult.
Dang it.
It was always his destiny.
No, I wanted to try something. Now we'll never know.
I couldn't do it.
Now we'll never know. You can question one with a catapult.
Oh my god. Is that your goal in life? See if you can crush others with catapults?
I might actually saw.
You do that. Sushi was great, by the way, guys. Oh no! It's
I feel like the peanuts are so strong they'll mask the wasabi taste.
That's how it felt today when you could hear the fighter just after the fact, but you couldn't see anything.
Wait, after? That's why?
Yeah, it was because it travels faster than the sound. That's why I kept looking up and I was like, "What is that?" I can't really look at you. Hold on. It's not a peanut. I wouldn't pay that much money for it, but I would get it again. Because that's not even a regular price, remember?
It's 4% off. It kind of tastes spicy.
I should just fall into my doom. DUM.
That's gonna look so delicious.
No way, man.
What? You jumped?
How she just...
Yeah.
All the town is rosy. Wait, hold on. I got the wrong ones well in the wrong one. I like when they're on their respective side.
That? See the... Oh, that's...
Oh, shit. I didn't realize what I was supposed to do.
It's invisible!
Duh. I had to get behind that thing just now. I didn't realize that. I saw her doing it and I was like, what is she doing? Where is she going? Where are you going?
I didn't know it was invisible. I didn't kind of taste the wasabi there, but it wasn't like death.
What, what'd you say?
I did kind of taste the wasabi, but it wasn't like death.
It's not death per se, it's just... It really clears out your sinuses. Am I supposed to come off here? I guess so.
It didn't even make it to my nose. It made it to like the sides of my tongue.
Stop talking. Monster. Oh, hell no? Like, I'm frightened. What is this thing?
It's a giant snow golem.
What is crawling up my leg right now?
If it was, I would.
You would have freaked out? Okay, we're at a safe point.
Imagine in real life it's like winter time and you just see you just hear like that and see giant footprints in the snow like appearing.
Alright guys, we're at a safe point, so I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna end it here. But anyway.
And I'm gonna play.
What? This game? No way.
Should I add this much?
Guys, part 2.
Should I add this? Should I add this?
If you want to, it's your sushi. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for part 2 where Allison plays the game because for some reason she wants to play right now. Bye. Thanks for Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.